If you're tired of flimsy charging cables that wear out quickly, the Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning to USB cable offers a reliable upgrade. Designed for a wide range of Apple devices, this cable ensures seamless charging whether you own an iPhone, iPad, or even an iPod. Compatibility covers everything from the iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, to the iPad Pro and Beats Pill Plus speakers, making it a versatile choice for your tech needs. What sets this cable apart is its MFi-certified chipset. Powered by Apple's original C89 smart chip, it instantly recognizes your device for a safe and stable connection. That means no more worrying about slow charging or damaging your battery. This certification guarantees the cable meets Apple's strict standards, so you get peace of mind every time you plug in. Speed matters, and this cable delivers. Thanks to wide diameter wires and reduced resistance, it supports charging currents up to 2.4 amps. That translates to faster, more efficient charging that gets your device powered up quicker. Whether you're rushing out the door or need a quick boost during the day, this cable won't slow you down. Durability is another key benefit. The cable features an extra layer of protection on both the Lightning and USB ends, which helps prevent fraying and extends its lifespan. Plus, the sturdy unibody connectors resist damage from everyday wear and tear, ensuring a secure fit with every connection. It's built to last, even if your daily routine is demanding. One user shared how this cable stood up to real-life challenges. After 2 years and even some cat chewing, it remained sturdy and fully functional. Compared to their original Apple cable, this one was longer, tougher, and maintained charging speed without any drop-off. That's a testament to the quality you can expect. Along with the cable itself, you get a worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. If you ever run into issues, help is just a call or click away. That kind of support adds extra value to your purchase and keeps you covered long-term. If you're ready to replace your worn-out charging cable with something dependable and fast, this Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning to USB cable is worth a look. It combines universal compatibility, certified safety, quick charging, and long-lasting durability in one affordable package. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality charging cable makes. Whether for home, work, or travel, this cable keeps your Apple devices powered reliably every day.